You're not helping me out when my mom's 2 feet away.
Nico, chill.
Mom, but I'm asking them if they can cuff the use on. But for what? I asked them already
They are going to hurt you. Chill.
But I asked them if you can come close. That's it.
Okay, I'm close.
But you're not close enough.
Okay, get up.
You're not close enough. They obviously do with his racist. And I swear to God on my granny, I'm going to spit on your grave.
On September 27th at approximately 3:15 a.m., Lake County Police responded to a crash on Interstate 94 involving a 30-year-old male driver. Upon making contact, officers detected a clear odor of alcohol on the suspect's breath. The man refused to perform a breathalyzer test and became combative during the arrest. He repeatedly accused the officers of racism, claiming he was only being arrested because he was black.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, dog?
What happened, brother?
Man, I don't even want to talk about it.
What's up, man?
I said I don't even want to talk about it.
You want to talk about it?
No.
What? Were you on the phone or something?
No, I wasn't.
So what happened? Because we got to put something on the report.
Man. Some bullshit. That's what happened.
What is that?
I said some bullshit. That's what happened.
What happened? What are you looking for?
Shit, make sure I got all my shit that I need to have, my guy.
I got you. You got your insurance card?
Yeah, I gave it to him already.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So what? So you said some bullshit. What happened though?
As I was coming across, he was coming across, and then whole bunch of bullshit, my guy.
Okay. When you said he, I'm assuming another car?
Yes, sir.
All right. Were they pulling? They were coming off the I?
To me, hey, right now, to be crashing into something like this, you think anybody got time to be recollecting what the like, bro, like, look at my right now.
Yeah, I see that, man. I understand that, and I can appreciate what you're going through. But what I'm asking
You can't appreciate what I'm going through. You can't appreciate somebody crashing their car.
You're assuming I've never been in a car crash.
No, I'm not saying you haven't, but I'm just saying,
that's
you
what
said
I'm
I can appreciate
with what you're going through.
What can you appreciate about that?
Okay.
Okay, so what do you need from me?
All right. So, tell me what happened.
Like I said, as I was driving, driving up here. There
Which
was a
way
car
were you
that
driving?
swerved
What direction were you driving?
home.
Okay, so east. You were coming down this way, headed east.
I was driving
Okay,
home.
where were you coming from? What direction
I was
were
driving
you
home, sir.
I don't know where you live, man.
That's what I'm saying. I was driving that way. I was driving home.
Okay, so you're driving home. All right.
Yes, sir.
From where? Where were you coming from?
Can you honestly see how I am fucked up at my wrist and I'm grabbing my bag?
Rescue already came and looked at you and said you were fine, right?
Right, so I was fine to go and we was already good to go.
Hey,
so you holding me here for me going to what I need to go do?
There was a crash and we're investigating a crash. So you're heading that direction. What happened?
I was driving and then, bro, I don't, boom, right there.
Okay, boom. All right, earlier you said something about somebody crossing.
That's not what I said. So
you said somebody was pulling off there, and then he went that way, you went that way, and then you crashed.
That's it.
Okay, who came from where?
That's what I'm telling you.
You're not telling me
Look
anything.
where I'm at, and look how the situation could be.
Okay, all right. So you work at a pizzeria.
Yes,
Were you
sir.
drinking tonight?
No, sir.
Okay. Why do I smell an odor of alcohol coming from your breath?
I work at a bar. It's a pizzeria, Build the Grill.
Okay, so you were drinking at the bar.
Sir, I was on my way home.
I understand that. So you work at a bar pizzeria. The question was, were you drinking at the bar?
No.
Okay, so why do I smell alcohol coming from your breath?
Whatever. That has nothing to do with me.
I mean, it does have everything to do with you.
No, it does not, sir.
How does it not? You're the guy I'm talking to. No, come here.
We're gonna stay right here.
No, we are, but I'm just grabbing my bag.
No, we're gonna leave the bag for right now.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Okay, so did you have any drinks in it?
No, sir.
Okay, so why is it that I smell alcohol coming from your breath?
What you smell and what's going on in this situation has nothing to do with me.
So what does that have to do with it?
What do you mean, sir?
What? There's no one else here that's involved in a crash.
Yes, sir.
You were operating a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
You were involved in a crash.
Okay.
Okay. And you don't have an explanation of how you ended up in the crash, right? But I do smell odor of alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay.
Which would lead me to indicate that maybe the intoxication level is too high, leading to the crash, right?
Not too high.
So it's not illegal to have a drink and drive, but it's
Yes.
illegal to have too many drinks and drive.
No,
right?
and that's understandable.
Okay. So again, when I was asking, if I'm smelling alcohol coming from your breath, why do I smell alcohol coming from your breath?
That is own perspective.
on perspective.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna run through some tests to see where you're at.
Okay.
Okay. If you're good to go, write you some tickets, get your report. You're on the way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you don't pass the test, well then we'll have to go. We'll cross that bridge when that happens. Okay.
Let's do our test so I can go because I already
Okay.
told you your answers. So to try to contradict
Well, you didn't tell me an answer.
No, I
You
did.
just
I did.
kinda-
I gave you an answer
gave me-
twice.
You said I
So
worked
to
at
try
a
to
bar
contradict-
pizzeria. That's
Okay.
not an answer. Right?
Let's do our test so we can go.
Yes or no? Did you have anything
Let's
to drink?
do our
That's-
test so we
that's
can
the
go.
question.
I did. I told you no already, sir.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to follow the tip of my finger as I pass it back in front of your face. Okay. What I ask you is to move your eyes, just your eyes, and not your head.
Yep.
Okay. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to pass it back and
Yes,
forth.
sir. Come on.
Okay. All right. Do you understand my instructions?
Let's.
I'm not. Okay.
I know,
just
but
wanna
I'm
make
just
sure.
saying you
Okay.
dragging so y'all can
Oh.
do what y'all need to do to
I'm
do
not
what y'all need
dragging,
to do.
Dominic. I'm just doing my job,
Okay, so
right? What
come
you
on.
said you respected, right?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Does this light bother you right here, like this?
It does not.
Okay. All right. So you see up here? All right.
sir.
I just need you to follow my finger, okay? Why is that crazy?
Because it's cold.
It's not that bad
You
out.
want me to keep my arms like this?
Yeah, you have to. So that's how the test is done, right? So left foot down, right foot in front, hands at your side. Okay, but you got to get back in the position because you had to hold that till we were done.
And then if I don't, then I failed automatically and I'm drunk. That's crazy. Y'all are wild. No, y'all are crazy.
How are we crazy? Start. No, you
One.
got to do your left foot first. You got to start in the right spot, man.
What do you mean?
You're putting your right foot down. You got to put your left foot down first.
Is this not my left foot? You pay attention. That's left.
Yes,
that's what
very
I
good.
did.
That is your left. You
And
don't
that's
have,
what I did.
No, you stepped with your left first. You have to put your left foot down, right foot heel to toe. Boom, like this.
Okay, so
And
pay
take
attention
9
really
heel
quick,
steps.
officer, really quick.
I'm watching.
You said put my right first, my left?
Yes.
That's what I did.
On the line first. That's still not on the line.
Where's the line? Because there's no
This
line here.
line that we just agreed to, right here. This line, this crack in the road.
One.
Nope. Here. I mean, we could keep doing this all night. I'm good. Now put your right foot heel to toe. Now do 9 heel to toe steps forward. Take small shuffle steps, 9 heel to toe steps back. Put your feet together, hands at your side. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick either your left or your right foot. You're gonna lift it up approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're gonna lift it up, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay?
No, not until you told me to stop.
Correct, until I
see
tell you to
these
stop.
tests,
It's gonna be approximately 30 seconds. Okay?
30?
30 seconds.
No.
Yes, sir.
1001, 1002, 1003. No, you're crazy.
Why am I crazy?
Who does that?
I didn't design these tests.
Yes, you did.
I did? When did I do
1001,
this?
1002,
Your hands gotta be at your
1003,
side, man.
1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. See, you're crazy. 1011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24.
All right, you're good. Go ahead, put it down.
Yeah.
All right, sit right here on the bumper. Last one.
Nope.
No!
Yeah.
I still gotta offer it to you, though, okay? I
You're
understand.
good.
Yeah,
You're
but
good.
I still gotta offer
And
it
I'm
to
telling
you.
you, no, you're good.
All right,
Because I already
well,
offered you multiple times. And you, officer,
You didn't offer me anything. What'd you offer me?
no, I'm offering you the chance to be realistic in a real life person, bro. You know I'm not fucking drunk. So to offer me a breathalyzer is crazy. And I'm glad that
So
you're doing your job.
This is a PBT. This isn't a breathalyzer. That,
It is,
that would
but I
come
know what
later.
y'all get down.
No. So this is a portable breathalyzer.
I'm
It's not the
okay.
same. Not the same
It is
thing.
the same thing.
Well, no,
I'm
it's
okay.
not. Because this isn't admissible in
I'm
court.
okay. What you should be asking me is if anybody else is going the other way, and if you should
Well, I
be
tried
chasing
to, and then
anybody.
you still
What do
haven't.
mean?
You still didn't provide me any information. You just said that
What do you
guy
mean?
did this thing. He came across and did
Exactly.
this, and this, and I was like, well, I don't know what that means. I can't go look for this, and this. I need a
That's
description,
okay.
right?
I appreciate that. But I'm not doing that though.
All right, I still gotta offer it to you, my guy.
Deny it, to still offer me, and after I deny it, you
I still have to. All
Put
right.
it down.
Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
Good night.
Yes or no? I'm asking.
No.
No? Okay. All right. All right, so here's what's gonna happen. What's that?
No.
I didn't hear what you said. What
I
did you
said
say?
no.
Before that, what you said something about a breathalyzer?
I said no.
Okay. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna be under arrest for DUI, but they're gonna transport you to the hospital, okay? So you have to go to the hospital, unfortunately.
I don't need to go to the hospital.
Yes, you do.
No,
That's a
don't.
policy. Yes,
No,
it
it's
is.
not.
So
It's not
you
a
start- go ahead
policy.
and start rescuing?
It's not a policy when my mom is right there and everything
I
is
understand.
okay.
Come here.
Don't please.
Come here.
Okay, really quick.
I hear
I'm
you.
going to ask you really quick, politely. Do not touch me.
Okay, but you gotta go in
Really quick.
handcuffs.
Okay.
You gotta go in handcuffs.
Listen, before you touch me or do anything to me, and there's be a crazy scene,
Got it.
because it will be. I'm
Okay.
telling you that politely.
Okay.
Talk to my mom.
I'll talk to her and let her know what's up.
No,
Yeah.
me and you and my mom are gonna go to the same time. I don't care what you have to do for your job and whatever you need to do.
Okay. Well then here, how about this? I'll go get mom,
No,
but you
me
gotta
and
go
you're
stand
gonna-
over.
No, me and your mom-
No.
We're gonna go together.
We're not. I'm gonna
No,
bring
no.
mom over here, because here's why, right?
No, I don't.
You're gonna make it worse
I'm
by
not gonna-
not. Yes, you
Listen,
are. If
I'm
you're gonna
telling you-
cause a scene
listen,
and start all this, you have
If
to
you
go to the
don't put me
hospital.
next to my mom before you do anything, it will cause a scene. So I'm telling you,
that's what
I'm going to
saying.
comply.
I'm gonna send you here, and I'm
No.
gonna go grab mom right now.
My
That's
mom
what's
is
gonna happen. So
10
here,
feet
slide
behind.
over here.
Do not touch me.
I won't touch you, but
Do
you
not
will slide over
touch
here.
me. I'm telling you, my mom
I'm
is right
asking you to
there.
slide over
So
here.
together.
Get out of the road, dude. You're gonna
I'm
get hit by a
listening.
car.
I'm
Let's go.
listening.
You're gonna get hit by a
Slide
car.
over here. Let's go. I'm gonna go get mom. Yes, we're gonna
go
go.
to my mom together.
Come on,
I'm
dude.
telling you, I'm going to comply. I will comply.
And
If
I
we
appreciate
can
that.
walk to my
We're
mom
not walking over
together.
there. So come over here by my
Tell my mom to
feet.
come over here, and I'm not moving.
Come on, let's go. You're
Tell
gonna
my
get
mom-
hit by a
Gonna
car,
get
dude.
hit.
I'm
by a
on
car.
front of how?
Let's
Don't
go.
touch me.
Come on.
You
Relax.
touching me,
You're
and my
gonna
mom
get
is
hit
right.
by a car.
I'm gonna get mom right now.
So
over
you
there.
telling my mom
Get
to get my mom?
or
Tell my
we
mom
are
to come
gonna
over
get
here.
hit by a car.
Over there.
I'm gonna talk to you like that. You racist.
Dominique, stop. Dominique,
Get my
stop.
mom over here now. Cause look how you holding my arm. But look how you holding my arm. When you
Because
don't
look
have
at
to
what
do
you're
that.
doing.
Doing what? Doing what? When you can just have my mom come over here like I'm acting. You said relax. Bro.
Put his arm.
Bro. Do you see help, sir? I asked you 2 questions.
Okay, and I told you.
Okay,
I'd
but look
help
how
you
much you're doing too much, so you're not helping me out when my mom 2 feet
Hey.
away.
Nico, chill.
Mom, but I'm asking them if they
but
can
chill.
talk to
Just
you
let them
though.
put their handcuffs on you. They
But
gonna
for
hurt
what?
you.
I asked them that already
They are
though.
going to hurt you.
But
Chill.
I asked them if you can come close, that's it.
Okay, I'm close.
But you're not close enough.
Okay, get up. They
You're
don't
not
wanna hurt
close
you.
enough. They obviously do with his racist. And I
Shut
swear to
your
God on my
ass-
granny, I'm
shut
gonna
your-
spit on your grave, you
Shut up.
pussy.
Watch your. You gonna make it worse?
No,
Shut
they
your
making
ass
it
up.
worse.
No, you are.
They get a
Shut
pride
up.
on this type of shit.
No, they don't. Shut up. Don't nobody
Because
want to hurt
if you
you.
did, you wouldn't be grabbing me like this, you racist white pussy bitch.
Shut up.
Y'all pride on this type of shit. Y'all pride on this type of shit. You But mom, I asked him one question though, mom.
Lock down, sir.
They racist as I hate these white. I swear to God.
Chill.
Chill what? Mom, Mom, look how they treating me though. Like, bro.
Just trying to double lock these so they don't.
So double lock for what? And my arm hurt. I'm losing my right arm. It hurt.
Calm down.
I'm losing my right arm.
I'll take a look at it.
Bro,
One
why
second.
you pushing my arm out?
Because you can't move. Stop moving.
Move for what when I'm
Stop
asking?
moving.
But look how you pushing.
Jesus, dude.
Jesus, look how you.
You
push-
had a whole bunch of opportunities.
opportunity.
You
You
blew
couldn't
it.
wait for this. You can't wait to spit in your face.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
And if I would, what you gonna do?
Don't do that.
What you gonna
I
do?
will loosen this one
What
for
you
you
gonna
if
do?
you will.
Bitch, I spit on them 4 shades.
Don't
Pussy
do that.
bitch. And I can't put your way.
See?
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Stop.
Would you shut up?
Mom, look how they doing me though.
You just tried to headbutt me. Are you serious?
No, calm down.
I just trying
You're gonna make it worse.
Dude, get out of the way.
Down.
Just get out of the way or off. All right. Get in the car. All right. While they do that, where all your copy of paperwork you need, all your citations. Your court date's going to be
What citation?
October 22nd. I'll explain in a minute.
Okay,
At
'cause I
9
don't-
a.m. Dominic, I'm not going to
I'm
go back and
asking-
forth. Okay.
There's nothing to be.
Let
back
me
and
finish
forth.
and I'll
I'm
tell
asking
you.
a question.
October 22nd, 9 a.m. at the 301 Washington Street, T020. Okay? You have one, operating uninsured motor vehicle, driving under the influence, failure to speed avoid an accident,
Is that
and
on?
improper lane usage. Yep, it's blinking. Okay?
Yeah.
You also get is the Fox Lake address your most up-to-date address?
Sure.
Yes or no? Because
Did you leave your mama red
I'm
rights?
sending you another citation for resisting. So I
When
need to
did I
know,
resist?
is that your correct one?
When
Yes
did
or
I
no?
When did I resist?
Dominique, look, Okay, here. Put
I'm
it.
asking you,
Any
when did I
questions?
resist if I'm here in handcuffs?
Any questions about this?
How did I resist?
Okay.
Yeah, that's
so I'm
my
going to set this
question.
up here by your phone. My partner's going to take your cuffs off. At that point, you're free to
Yeah.
leave. You'll be escorted out by security.
Can you please take
Okay.
this off? Thank you, sir. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
I said, how did I resist? When did I resist if I'm in handcuffs? Because if I resist, you wouldn't have me.
Okay, and then
If I
we'll
resist,
take
you
to the
wouldn't
ground.
have me.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
You didn't take me to the ground.
All right, you're right.
You're
we did
so
it.
dramatic.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. That's that power stroke that I'm talking about.
I know.
Hey, did you read me my Miranda rights?
I don't need to. I didn't ask you any
When
questions.
I'm arrested,
Go ahead and grab
that's
your
when
stuff.
you get arrested for your
Grab your
Miranda
stuff,
rights.
and you're
When
gonna
you're
follow them.
arrested,
Dominic,
you
I'm
need
not
to be
arguing with you.
arrested for your
Grab
Miranda
your
rights,
stuff
right? And did you read
and
those
go
to
out.
me? You did not.
Grab
Thank
your
you.
stuff and go out.
Is that on?
It's been on the whole time,
When
Dominic.
you arrested me, did you read me my Miranda rights?
Grab your stuff
Did
and go.
any of y'all?
All right. He's
Badge
busy.
numbers?
Excuse me.
Badge numbers?
The suspect was released from custody and is awaiting his assigned court date of October 22nd. He faces charges including driving under the influence, driving an uninsured vehicle, improper lane usage, and resisting arrest. As always, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.